Hi, friend. Welcome to this training. So, I have something to share with you. Very important. Have you come across saying like this? The more time support or resistance is tested, the stronger it becomes. I guess you get it totally wrong. So, if you follow this theory here, you will lose money in the long run. So, I want to save you from self-destruction and trading. In my early days, that's what I learned. That's what textbook taught me. But I've discarded it because I know how much it cost me to know this today. So stay tuned. Let me share the intels, the pro and cons you need in trading support and resistance for you to be successful. So this is the quick recap about what support and resistance is all about. So I know everybody know it, but we have to just recap it before we dive into the professional traders how we have today. So resistance is just a horizontal line on our chart where sellers step into sell. Like our support is just a horizontal line on our chart where buyers step into buy. So that's simple. I'm all used to explain that for clear understanding for everyone. So, but this narrative about the more time support or resistance is tested, the stronger it becomes. I want to say this is totally wrong. So I want you to just put this into your ear today. The more time support or resistance is tested, the weaker that very zone becomes. So I'll give you a story. Just let me use a simple illustration. So let's say for instance that your country, every female child is entitled to have an Apple laptop immediately is born. You get the point? So that means every family in the whole, almost 90% or 80% of people in your country owns Apple laptop. Do you think Apple store in that country will survive? They will fold because there's no much buyers because the country is purchasing it for their people. That means they will fall definitely. That same thing is applicable to support or resistance. So now looking at this support area, this is the first test, this is the second test, this is the first test, this is the third test. Immediately is for example, but let's ignore the side. Let's use these three touches here. So what happens in a long run? We're expecting that this support area will hold. You get the point. So if it doesn't hold, what are we planning with this type of breakout? We are planning for breakdown, sorry. So if the breakdown happens, you don't trade that blindly. You get the point. So let's see what happens. So we're hoping that, okay, wait, everybody's hoping that the support will hold. If you go to 1 hour time frame now, you will see that there's there's a little reaction that bulls are stepping in, but it doesn't work. You get the point. So let me clear the objectivity. So now, thank you. Some people will still hold because some people that use line to draw their support or resistance, those people that use weak will still a term here that the support will hold. I don't blame them. We are getting into that. After this, I will share with you the best way to draw support and resistance, the best way I do it. So some people that use weak to draw their support will be hoping that this price will hold. You don't blame them because it works. It works for them oftentimes. But what happens here is what I'm about to show you. So this is a breakout. This is the breakdown, sorry. So this breakdown now we trap more people, trap breakout traders who are hoping that this support will hold. But see what happens. So after the breakout, it went back. They'll be happy that the price is moving up. Definitely, they will enjoy this move. They will enjoy this move up to here. But guess what happened? It doesn't happen because the price have totally engulfed this very zone because it has tested multi. Nobody is left to buy. Let me show it to you. Anytime you see such move here, the banks are there, institutions are there, smart money gangs are there. The people that makes the market, they are here. So who is left to buy? Nobody. Am I the one to buy to push the price up? No. All I need to do is wait for breakout. That's what this tends to us. So anytime you see such breakouts, such move on your support area, just use it to trade breakout. It's very good risk to reward strategy. So as it happens now, what am I expecting? I'm setting this move to go back to this zone, but you don't trade it blindly. Just wait. Even whenever breakout doesn't work these days, that's very true. I must be sincere with you. I don't trade breakout anymore. I wait for the price to dip inside this zone to show me what will happen. So now I've seen another this way I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for this zone to clear out. This last sorry. I'm waiting for this high, this low to close. So if it close below, I'll set my stop loss above here and go away with my very good. Okay, so what happened? The price deep into the zone. Oh, good one. So that's how we make markets these days. You don't just trade this strategy blindly. So you have given me clear objectivity that the price have done what the price have changed to direction. The only thing I need to do now is just to set my target. Set my target. I always target Beechwood because this will give you very favorable risk to reward. 1:2, 1:3, 1:4, 1:5. So depending on your narrative of trading, but for me, if I have 1:3, 1:2, I'm okay. So set your stop loss over here. So that we're seeing 52%. So that's times 3 should give you around 150%, 1.5%. So that's it. So let's watch what happens in the future. So that's how to trade it. So whenever you saw this type of formation, just know that the price is giving you another. Okay, boom, we have made our money. So that's how to use it to trade breakouts using support or resistance to filter your breakdown or breakout. If it is resistance, it's breakout. If it is support, it's breakdown. So you see how I use it to filter this breakout. So that's how to do it. So let me walk you through on how to trade breakout. Perfect way to trade perfect way to trade support and resistance perfectly. Now, how do you trade support and resistance? So this is a major challenge for the young traders out there, because what textbook teaches them, they use single line to teach you about support and resistance. You draw a single line. Reason why you should ignore that is because price overshoot and undershoot. You get the point. Price undershoot, this is what I mean. You see the price undershoot. So whenever you treat this as just a single line, you don't know when the price tends to be a breakout or just to undershoot or overshoot you. So you need to treat this as an area. You get the wick and the body. The last place the wick ends is the place you place your area. Do you get the point? So in my early days of trading, the most of money I lose because that's the first thing you learn. The first thing you learn in trading is just about support and resistance. So, but when you use textbook teachings, you will lose money in a long run. So don't just treat this as an area. And another thing to know is that whenever the price is making lower low or lower high to the support area, so this is what I mean. You need to pay very good attention here for you not to lose money, because I know after today's training, your trading scenario will change. So whenever you saw a price making series of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high to the support area, that is forming ascending triangle, you know that something is about to change. You get the point. Likewise on resistance. You get the point. So anytime you saw anytime you saw the price making higher high to the resistance area, that is descending triangle, ascending triangle, you know that the price is what? The price is changing phase. The momentum has changed. So that's how you avoid all these tricks that using. So this is my what? This 4 hour time frame. You get the point. This is the 4 hour time frame. Sorry. You place this how to draw it last week. This is last week. This is where I'm talking about. You take it up to the body. That's candle. So that's the best to how to draw a support and resistance. So whenever the price undershoot or overshoot, you will notice that. So this power time. Let's go to our 1 hour time frame. You don't just trade this blindly. You accomplish it with your what? Your price action. So the price was now okay. This is the first. This is this candle here is what we're analyzing in 1 hour time frame. So the price gives rejection. This is a pin bar, another indecision candle, another indecision candle. Then this bull candle engulf this hanging man. After this breakout, you enter a trade. So entries here. So our target is here. So that's how to trade it. So if you have gotten value so far from what I've shown you, I would like you to ask me a question where you're confused, especially new traders. I won't hesitate to help you. Don't forget to subscribe. I want to stop it here for the video not to be too long, for you not to get tired along the line. So see you guys next time. I drop video mostly every Friday or Thursdays, depending, but I don't have a fixed day because I'm always busy. But for now, I will try to help the little I can. See you guys for now. Bye. I love you all.